This is just a quickie video for all of you part scavengers out there looking for bits to make your custom models with or kit bashes. So what we got here is a typical soap container. I guess you'd call it a antibacterial soap dispenser. And I know what you're thinking. This looks like a single piece of injection molded plastic, and you are correct. This is just one big piece. But for all of you who like to use these things for engine parts, this one's particularly nice. Got this kind of cowling, and then all of these parts that came out of it. So this little guy, I wonder if that would fit on Lego. And I didn't have to destroy or cut anything to get all of these parts out. You just have to be very, very careful. It looks like there might be another piece in there I can pull out. Huh. I wonder if I can pull this one out. We'll try that in a minute. And then this little guy, this has got this kind of flexible gasket material on it. Where's the rest of this go? Let's put that on. Nice big spring. This interesting thing. Kind of curious about this because when this was all assembled with the spring, it sort of reminded me of a McPherson strut, for those of you who know what that is. So maybe you could use that in a large dune buggy build or something. A little bit of flexible hose. This thing, which, I mean, that's just screaming engine part or cannon. I don't know, but this part right here especially, I love this. Okay. Little gasket. Plastic looks like. These little bits here might make for an interesting cannon barrel or something. Exhaust, maybe. This one was kind of different. Now this I actually to take that back. I did cut this. Now I didn't cut it off of something. What it was, and you can kind of see the remnants of it. There was a very, very thin mesh filtration system on this thing. So there's just like a little thin piece of mesh here and a thin piece of mesh here. And I just sort of shaved it off from the inside, just, you know, around the edge. But yeah, kind of curious. Probably what helps make that foam. But going back to this one, that does look like a separate piece in there. Let's see. We can pull that out. Without destroying it. Nope, I messed it up. I put a hole right into that plastic. But you know what? I'm almost positive that's a separate piece. Anyway, up until that point, you can get through most of this without chopping it into pieces, but kids, don't try this at home. I guess not. Well, to me it looked like this piece came out, but I guess I was wrong. Yeah, I was definitely wrong. So there you go. Now you know not to do that. Anyway, more of an informative video. Nothing really fancy here. I am still working on you-know-who to make into you-know-what. More on that this week. Probably shave him down a little bit. All right. See you later.